I am Gladden, studying in Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering, Bangalore, and I belong to Department of CSE USN 1V 23C018. Subject Biology for Computer Engineers. Subject code BBOC 407. Topic The Muscular System and Scaffolds. The muscular system and the scaffold. Regenerative solutions. The muscular system is essential for movement, posture, and vital functions within the human body. Understanding muscular types, their functions, and the common injuries from the foundation for innovative and the scaffold-based muscle regeneration is an emerging approach designed to restore damaged muscle tissue by providing structures that provide cell growth and repair. This presentation covers muscle tissue types, their function, common injuries, and how modern scaffolds are revolutionizing options to enhance recovery and improve outcomes. Types of muscle tissue: skeletal muscle, voluntary control enabling movement, characterized by a striated appearance due to the regular arrangement of actin and myosin filaments. Smooth muscle, involuntary muscles lining organs such as the entrails and the blood vessels facilitating functions like digestion and blood flow without control. Cardiac muscle, specialized involuntary muscles found only in the heart responsible for rhythmic contract that pumps blood continuously throughout life. Key facts: over 600 muscle comprises approximately 40% mass, emphasizing their critical role in overall muscle function. Contraction mechanism: muscle fibers contract through interactions between actin and myosin filaments, generating tension and shortening the muscle. Energy supply: ATP molecules provide the energy required for cross-bridge cycling during contraction, making muscular activity highly energy dependent. Calcium regulation: calcium ions act as key regulators by triggering the contraction process released in response to neural signals. Functional outcomes: the force production enables voluntary movements, stability and maintenance of posture essential for daily life and complex physical tasks. Muscle injuries: common causes. Strains occurs due to overstretching or tearing of muscle fibers, common in sports or sudden movements causing pain and reduced function. Contusions: bruising results from impact or blunt trauma that cause bleeding within the muscles leading to swelling and discoloration. Laceration: deep cuts or tears in muscle tissues often require surgical intervention, significantly impairing muscle training. Volume load injuries: this can lead to sustained loss of muscle mass, which traditional treatments struggle to fully repair. Traditional treatment limitations: Rice method, rest, ice compression, and elevation are commonly used for minor muscle injuries to reduce inflammation and pain. Physical therapy, rehabilitation problems help restore strength and flexibility but may not fully regenerate damaged muscle tissue. Surgical repair, used for several tears and however muscle regeneration is often incomplete, especially in large volume loss scenarios. Limitations: current treatments struggle to address extensive muscle loss effectively, resulting in scar formation and functional deficient. Scaffolds and regenerative approach. Structural support: scaffolds provides a framework that mimics the natural extracellular matrix, supporting new tissue growth structurally. Cell attachment: they serve as templates where muscle cells can attach, proliferate and organize to rebuild functional tissues. Scaffolds can transport growth factors or drugs directly to injured sites, enhancing regeneration and healing processes. Scaffold materials: colloid, alginate, synthetic polymers, composite materials. A natural protein abundant in connective tissues, colligative in biocompatible and promote cell adhesion, widely used in scaffold designs. Scaffold fabrication: electrospinning, 3D printing, decellularization. Scaffold in muscle regeneration. These are the examples for scaffolds: injectable hydrogels, vacculated scaffolds, growth factor, electroing, clinical evidence. Future direction: personalized scaffolds, stem cell and gene therapy integration, advanced imaging, improved outcomes.